First, remove the fixing screws from the sensor. Install the stainless steel weighing plate. Make sure the folded edge faces up. Insert the screws and tighten them. Secure them tightly with an Allen key. Installation is complete. Step 1. Connect the power cable. Connect live wire to L and neutral to N. Turn on the power switch. The system auto-zeros upon startup. Step 2. Enter system settings. Enter password 168. Go to the weight calibration menu. Set max capacity to 10 kilograms. Ensure the sensor range matches. Perform zero calibration first. Prepare a standard weight. Here we use a 300-gram weight. Place the weight on the weighing plate. Tap weight calibration. Input 0.30 kilograms. Calibration done. Return to main page. Tap System Start. The valve now adjusts automatically.